Yamamu akwaba afi kasebo no enchiremu enyin yensha kasebo na ase ne yemfamfiri eya asante matanum na nkrabato di kasebo pono so echirim se ukopiem ewo kumase a eye kejetia idwakese nim ewa aya asante region mi kasei eja tumi ato shop mienum a eno no wo F line eye section nim ewo kejetia market a mekese no akwakwa ya husem yipa ewa no pa me no ekasei na enka ne chirim se eja no ehye ase ewa no ahomachen emra no miensa abapa ho seman eye sema no aduanan enum mekire 345 ene jai etok eye kejetia kumase a akwakwa ya homis ahusem yipam na mekese no eyeja no tumi ahye stores mienu no emani moja pare dodo na mekese no etimi ahye na mumperifo wo maden ekopie wonom seba wo maden asoja na mekese no eja no entimi antratre na kobemu entimi ankwa shop ahodo be me honom ma esese ewudie no entimi anya kese bebe ne bo ho maden se be kopie mo kumase ne ne yama ne boni eye asonaba Kwadwo wusu ne akwa ne nchen yakwaje mu kiremu dia firi ne nchen se eja te kumase kejetia market ne mu no ehon sensem ekosi sen yankwa homa no so asonaba
Menia.
Mahau.
Yeja.
Na mpom ti say.
Nyame adawro ma me ho ye na so e.
Yame adom. Yanya ne ntie se ja atokumase. Kejetia market nim eye F line nim na ehon nsam na ti say boye nchiremu e.
Mama na wase na Sammy Adwoa ho semasi e wa santemantam titiru ni kumase kurupon no. Kejetia Dubai market no. Na Sammy Adwoa eja ato honom na what you say, and day, Abra na Bobe no me and say, Kobono, make sure the team and I want or Bob buying our for security and walk KJ market. It is a sense to be a free one of the stores, Bana and what the year pan. They look who be Emma or more in term of a year fire service for Mudi Juma, KJ market. Now, I am to the PSC Emma fire service for no or my age, my son pass and say, Obasa Harris one. Or more in term doom a jano Sammy Adwoa say the Bia added an aqua, and Sammy Adwoa say a jana SC and I'm somewhere in term stores me and a jana it's me at home. Sammy that stores in a day a munium about munium ashekura naba so a munium money bia for a business so ashekakra. Now me patrol I'm not fire service for a buyer you don't much shame for mono yani ADO2 Peter Ade Echun Komono na eye asante mantem uba asante mantem ma katama for e de manasna fire service and ye kasa na o chese wo hwe ejana eye chemicals bia ma me ba ko eton no ejani mu wono eno na omode ye eye detergent this is powder ni parazone ni de kika ho na omode ye sa na ma ni o chese chemicals no na e combine ya itimi explode ya e de sa ejasishi ebaye eju bita na de si e wa santement
mi sawo sesi amekese no enipa bi hutumi kan ye e wogya na to ho no mu ana
esanse ebra asem ni sie ne na ya homachi ade be chinti na adwadifo ni na akofie nti Sammy Adwoa nyankropon adom obia ho anka obia ho ye
na odum jadwuma ye ko no atimedo de enti enam so megya na eto market ne mu hunsunsanso na ba bonten
eno mo chese sesi ade o munya mfa ba bonten ba preliminary source ndi o metimi aka studio say chemicals na ma me ton wo honom no
ene okay
enti no combine ya etimi edita ejawi ne ebaye
okay asona ba kwaso ade e kire beto be ko beto ni fa na besa ba onchen abaji mu nkire mu ba wote ne kan eye money boni otonkra edi free asante mantanu kumase edi brayen ne den edi asona ba Kwadwo wusu ene wo kirem se kumase kajetia Dubai market no na nseja tomu ahomachin so no nan no miensa bapa wo sema aduananum eja sa to ho biewa shop mienu de etumi ahye eden menim da kora eja hyehye wo Ghana ha na to betwa menim ana sikapa ya boni bia na
Kwadwo e wose ye nhwehwemu fisade we no sane e koso na dɔɔso dodo de bia eja hyehye aden
no yes 1983 de na ye betete ye ho nsɛm no me nwanwa kora
yes oje ho a
won ya bone o monka ne enkopa cha obi gomi na nse de akwa de nyamya nim no kure ni wo ma ho kire na ye ma okuro ma dwadifo ye bre kakra e benya de ba kɔtɔn so na jadem aten sika yenko yanim
Yanto akase bone so na speaker of parliament Alban Barbin edin sema betuja say ade awaye na adwen say obeye annual prayer meeting ede ama mrahyebeджafo a omo mrahyebeджafie san say huhum bi ani omudi ese no hu ni say enye kwa suban bi omo yi na di no na chese ohia sofo no abebo mpa ya ama say malam mpo no ba be kan chekra ede ama oma ebebo san say onu hu ni say huhum bi na ehye mrahyebeджafo ni say omo ba eye parliament a omo bra na omo be ye basa ewa abro ni eye breakfast prayer meeting for ehia ya oni omo twetwe nkomo na chese de bi eye mrahyebeджafo na omo kwaye private meetings a omo di obuo eni ahobrase na ekọ na emom ba mrahyebeджafo na chese bibia asai ntonu do hu ni say huhum bi pa na ne eye mrahyebeджafo edi asie ntia ya de obo ne homode aso obeye eye annual prayer meeting na de ama wo mpa bodo mu hia bi papa isa say adenti na mrahyebeджafo mpanifo ya yi musa mombra oman ni mu na mombra bedi djuma soronko FM oman na fede bia ntokwa saa da bi we de hu ni say huhum bi edi akie ye papa ntia ya asofo ne eye MPs no mummo muhumodian esan say ya de ampaibo ne de ebekoso ede ama wom odin semwe etuja.
In fact, when I was in Morocco, I was wondering why anytime I'm out of the seat, there's trouble. Immediately I hand over this order. I'm never present when you have those things. I remember just last week when I was moving to my office, I handed over to my second deputy speaker. Immediately he sat and started. Members were on their feet singing and saying so many things. I was still at my lobby. I didn't know whether to rush back to come and take over, and that would not show good leadership. So I restrained myself and watched all that happen. Why? And sometimes when wise men speak and people don't listen, these are the consequences. There is good reason why the country differed from other countries and decided that the speaker must be one, not a member of parliament, two, impartial, not neutral, impartial. So when you give a decision that people sitting on that chair can be partial, you've created disorder. I will be quoting decisions that I spoke against, and you people moved with the mob, and they became decisions of courts and rules in this house, in this country, for you to see the consequences. That is the only reason why any of the deputies, when they are sent onto the chair, you behave the way you behave.
Owie na yes speaker Sunday to just say o man Ghana ya kandi fo mo omode no mo bro mo ho ase no mo ndi djuma no sane esese be your man no yempumtuo ebetimi akonanim.
Drawing from my extensive lifelong experience in leadership and mentorship, I started when I was in school. It's not today. And many of them were all sacrificial. I never thought of myself first. I always think of others because I know I am blessed and God is always there for me. So I confidently said that one of the distinguishing hallmarks of an altruistic and conscientious leader is the ability to give others the invaluable gift of selfless service. Such leaders cultivate an environment where collaboration and support thrive, inspiring those around them to rise to their full potential. The honorable members gathered here today, I respectfully implore you to eschew ego, to eschew indiscipline and the air of superiority complex, and climb down from the high horses to the level of your constituents.
And near wuti ye Speaker of Parliament Alban Barbin no owie na ye Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams enso ebo mpaye epeye die edema oman Ghana.
I believe that it is not by chance nor by accident that Mr. Speaker sits here as Mr. Speaker and all honorable members of Parliament are here. You are not here because you wanted to be here. You are here because you are summoned by destiny to be here for such a time like this. There is a reason why many are dead and you are still alive. You are alive because there is a duty and a responsibility required of you by your generation and by generations yet unborn to perform a duty to make this country a better place for not just your generation, but for your children and your children's children. Today, everybody runs to the West, to Dubai, and to other places for greener pastures. It is my prayer and desire and dream that in my lifetime and in your lifetime, that no son and daughter of this country will queue at any embassy to have a visa in order to seek greener pastures in other land. but that our sons and our daughters will dwell in this country, having an environment that is conducive for progress, creativity, and prosperity. That no son and daughter of this country will be scattered in other nations, but that there will be enough for every Ghanaian and citizen of this country, irrespective of your tribe, your religion, or your political party. I pray that I will see that day in my lifetime come to pass.
Yeah, would see Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams and a bonfire Edema or mine Ghana.
Yen to Akasia Bonoswe, near Fanco Piemum. Our office of the special prosecutor, Ebinimokani say, Kwesi Peter, yo. Eternity, Ekani say, OSP. Mika say officially, or the Kratawa Bontain, Abekasa, Remi Akane Omangana ya photo samfo. Ken Ofoliata. Sisi adie or ye suspect. Why ye wanted? Ye why ye wanted? O Chem say, Ken Ofoliata. Just Grimu pa ne kankanya born who krum ha say no. Sabe. So be twa ho pa no akopa dia was na muakua no. Bebio nambia obete ne ho sent. Ni nya ne say Grimu pa ne kankanya je papa we ho no. Atete pa ne senti ehu behia say o my Ghana yensa beka na akogina mra no yi nsem bia nom na eye kise jaben eka se na o kire mu say ehu pa efri say de di kan o my Ghana man penin dada eye na dango agufu ado ebeka kire Ghana for say Nyankopon so na daye afre no se ne medoba na Adwoa bramode na bra na men so daye obey Ghana man penin ti dia pa na won so ba ya me na Ghana man penin dada kire ni so eja nyame a wote ase yankwada yame ya dom pa na me drink na me Ghana man pani pa me ba oh National Cathedral Mesidia Mount e ma Ghana fo nyina akroma akosum nyame ya okaise ma Nyankopon wutira huna ye kro no Ghana man pani ba ye hwe ase obesi ade yo ageta o manga na sika ko guam na OSP kirem say National Cathedral project no the most expensive paper wo wi ase nyina e yo manga na ye National Cathedral no kirem say kanufoliata aye hwe han atam Ghana fo sika de akwahye mesika na kwageta faso amasonti ye hianom ebio wonso o kirem Strategic Mobilization Limited ye twanitia e kan se SML enene afinso nsem yenu bi ka ho a kanufoliata yi atimi atena se ma no akobom a sade aye no mepie Ghana ha meyi nsem ano a ebe ha dwenye pam nene emra kisi ajaben efrensem telefon shemu ewa na wuku adai eye ojefa bo so etaso mienu edu mienu ena wakase na okirem sem kanofolatai wadikra ne wanted efrise wadwane Afrigana wa pana kira kwanya pa kanofolatai mpeso obesi Ghana biom okase na osana kirem sem awomaden apa kwani ase bia nka ne sabeka so na nka jasini na wepiem o Ghana ne wakwaja mra na mratim na die nanso no opana kira kwa na nsa enteme nkanom okase na osana kirem sem Endrada ekoto dwa kirem sem kaniofolata enipa bi bomaden ko bowura ne fie wa mo ye soja fo kirem sem omo pane kira kwan wakase kirem sem sanje sem na to dwa no ne nsanim ken eye kisi aja be kirem sem oni mo ho hwe na mmom eyo no akasa kaniofolata aka ne Ghana eye sofo eye photo samfo no akasa na bomaden atimi atena se akopa onimpa bi ahyeda kwa hwe ne fie akasa we Sammy kan ye eye kisi aja be na etata me o kirem sem tabi da ye si Endrada no ayo no akasa kanofoliata na atena se ahyehye sa pon ne senti Ghana fo mbontunku ba bi kura obi ankwa tata no no ani tiri mo po se be beboa na Ghana fo etime hu ne mabakura na OSP ka se mo no se kirem sem se de etie bia no kanofoliata no ono ankasa obi akwahye no onfa ne homra na Ghana fo ne kwa jamra no ne ente yebo ase embisa bisa ne nsam mako mienu miensa enan ne num yentututu nsam na asra ne abasa no nche kiremu ye se sika akwahye ne to no Ghana fo nyina visamlan ya twe asan yesi ompunto mu nti yakwa ya nemen yentimi ntase so man e ma nipa bi enfo madufuru pa medi Ghana sika ma man tetente no bebia kanofoliata kwahye bia ne Ghana ne unim bebia wa shaba modi ane so ne pachi na fa ne kwama office of the special prosecutor evise kanofoliata no enka ne kirem se wadi Ghana sika nti ya panechi akwane ya che no na eye kiseja bi kirem se anema we ne oto no obo ne homodin bi so betimi ya bona Ghana dwirim ene kankan ne katasosa ekutira o man no yatumi atwase o man Ghana mpuntuo ne kankon so etimi atofom endi Sikapa a senior man why you wanted woni bebia wo
oh debi
we hu a bia betuma nya sika akra wo mo kofitera wo hu na kira kwan sao And you said I've been confused. I said, I don't know. I don't friend Kukum.
Coffee baby number.
At it, you. At it, pa. Same way, Nekaya cannot. Better than 1 penny for two, no. Sebabwa, no beer who bones a cadimono, a bit trouble in commission in fa. Nea boa no beer what the Ghana Sikano. Said your more can win it. A biana a allege. So what you say, ye frawa ya doko jinamla, no kwa ye no amawa uko baby. A bon swani ajeta, Yesika or wa, and a yajia, the enthusiasm why day.
I wanted.
And he said, ya dear Ken, Ajia one pibomo, and I hunya.
Oh, yeah.
Eh, Pabana the other, you said, now no, I go for ye see. Say a bonfire mao.
No more.
I blew come away. Empire near boy and so stern, I say, and said then the move up.
And I speak of parliament, can I say whom be actually?
Home actually. Can you flat at the home count? Anyway, you into a young umpire man.
No, I didn't decree. Father, in the name of Jesus.
Yanto akase bone so na ya de first deputy speaker ye Bernard Enhiafo ade ye share ebetu minister for health kwabena minta kan so se omo ne homodia no mecheche ye mashebejafo ne nam sunti ye cholera ene ye cerebrospinal meningitis no ayare no etimi amani muso ewo man ni musa esan se ya ade a mashebejafo no ede abetu ye mashebeje penina anim se yarewe amani muso pa ewo man ni mi ya chese ha adwin ye papa na ye charge onu na di minority leader ya Alexander Afenyo marking edi betu just say ade a woko Efutu municipality ni ma ade a cholera yare na amani musu ye papa 412 cases anoma record e mu miensa etimi ato nananom wonsi edu a chese ya rahusem ye pa no chemu so ye municipal health directors ne so de betu just say local health system na ade o mu hia sika o mu de be operations niema o mu betimi ede asa yaresa ne yaresa bia ho sanso no mu hia fango ene mahuni die hu nsam so de enkoye kura nti ayade aban no embeboa wom sane be ya bibia betimi akoso ye edi ama wom ye na anim se cholera yare ne de ya na ania ahuni die hu nsam ana ekọ esan se wandi hu nia cholera ne de ebetimi achew nti afanya marking edi nsam say etudwa.
Mr. Speaker, it's been reported that 412 cases of outbreak of cholera in the Efutu municipality has taken 3 lives. Mr. Speaker, currently we have the affected people in the Winneba Municipal Hospital, the Winneba Health Center, and the UEW Clinic. Mr. Speaker, the facilities there are very stressed. Most of these cases are coming from the shores of Winneba, the Inshona. Mr. Speaker, currently, according to the Municipal Health Director, they need operational expenses including funds for fuel, sanitation efforts, procurement of urgent supplies, essential medical supplies and treatment kits, as well as other logistical support for education and public awareness. The Municipal Assembly has no funds to support their program to help educate and to help our people who are suffering in various health facilities. Mr. Speaker, on my part, as a Member of Parliament, I've made available a pickup to enable the Health Directorate to continue with its education and supported them with some funds for their activities. Mr. Speaker, this is not enough. The central government must immediately intervene to save lives. The people are suffering.
Minority leader Alexander Afenyo marking Oye na ya first deputy speaker Bernard Enhiafo ede nsem etudwa na oche se ade ohye ede ama health minister se ombrambe gina mrahebejafo ni na anim na watwe baako no fenchechom ne enti a enam so cholera yare etimi ama ne muso ewo man yi mu.
For health to appear before the house within 1 week to brief the House on all the health issues raised on the floor. Speaker, I so direct. I just contacted the minister. He's on the field in monitoring the situation. So he'll be here on the 18th if the House would. I've taken within 1 week to brief the House on all the health issues raised on the floor. Speaker, I so direct. I just contacted the minister. He's on the field in monitoring the situation. So he'll be here on the 18th if the House would. I've taken all those things into consideration in asking that he should appear before us within 1 week. Very well. 1 week to brief the House on all the health issues raised on the floor. Speaker, I so direct. I just contacted the minister. He's on the field in monitoring the situation. So he'll be here on the 18th if the House would. I've taken all those things into consideration in asking that he should appear before us within 1 week.
Very well. We are guided.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And Nia Uti, first deputy speaker Bernard Ehiafo.
And also Munya, Kwabena Minta, a cano. Send Benimiano, Omrano me in Sawano. Na, Esa, a Mutuya Diano. Ah, Ghana for ye diffia Doria Honsa Manitata, no. O Metrichim.
O Mechim. Kum nipa ye papa so kwa ukwa futu ya dia omo record cases pa le busia ba ko pekro mutimi record be 29 cases.
Wow.
Ha dwen.
Kuro ina nkasa na ho. Ye kase ye kan ye nwie da. Ghana ye se ye bedi nsem bia chi okrum ha. Nka nwie. Yesu ni ye ban no. De ya no na ya pomade atoto no ho nsem na na aye aduaba ne. Aso a yegusu a yetidie yeti na bribra enti ene yentuamfo bia nso befa sikapa kasebo no se yentu aso ne yenko yenima na yentu akasebo no so ane yenko piemu ewo oman Ghana yegusu agina kurayim na ndokoma se badwam abomoden ade smart dwa ekirem se eye attorney general anamo bia oturi nansen pa no ehu pam wade mu kirem se eye Ghana mampanin John Dramani Mahama baaye no ena Obeka kachira Ghana fo nyina bɔ no homaden apaw eye attorney general mechire abalo ya pani onu kura yanso na ye oswafo a ohwe atenten ne so Dominic ayene ɔma no homaden no nkɔ na atenten ne afi nso onya aban no lawyer na ne man konkan nanso dom kuma ne kyerɛ mu sɛ de yakɔso no atetei ne nyina ne sɛ ɔmo so mu nim de enti enne endi sɛ manyoko yi ba ye ensema wodo a MPP amanyoko yi a etwamu yi ɛbɔ homaden tabiri nipa bi omadi o man Ghana sika Adamu kwagina mu court se court enka bi na sika hodo akwahye se nipakuo yito no omane ntumi ngi sika ne yemfa mabra nanso omoda wo montiase Ghana fo kasa kirem se yei eba ne se ne attorney general eye Dominic ayene wo ba ya enu jese ne yabosumi mienu mpo cases ahodo ankoda court wa drop ne nyina atwetwa ne nyinam so asem wei mi ni bio metwam asem wei mempe mi ni bio metwam asem wei me kondo mi ni bio metwam Wanu mu kirem say adenti ena Ghana mampanin John Dramani Mahama washe Ghana fo nyina bo akwakofa eye operation eye loot all recover all loot ha etwanity e kan say ola no dia pa say wo bo ma pro ne kankan eso atumi ate enti aba ne sana bandada e de nipa bi kogina mra no so madu oman sika na kire wonom na gisika na aba ne koy na aba ya o say asem we enya me de metwam enya me de mempebio metwam MPP amanyoko ni kirem se sane ama na ekoso no omodwe ho amontiase no mahu se nipa hodo mbo mode kogina court no wonom eye NDC amanyoko ne mba enti no Ghana mampanin John Dramani Mahama empesa ne manane mbegu asenti wahye atani jana kete se ne senior yabai yenkofo ne yaban na aba yobi afrim no nkofie nkogina ni efize we de hule ya breba pansa yaba ekwanya aba se dia yentumi ntrase huna manenti jawo mu nyina ne yenkwa ba bi mpa nkɔpa ba bi nkwatena kra ɛna mu kyerɛ me sɛ de yakɔso yi ɛno kyerɛ sɛ atentere na Ghana mampani ka so ɔpɛ ho no eni ana na nipa ogina ma ɛyɛ dɔm kuma nanim kasa yes ɛyɛ swami ma sɛ bedwane dako John ɛna wo kyerɛ me sɛ nsɛm na yakɔso no ɛtan every say Ghana mampani sɛ wopɛ sɛ woko na wutu kataso sɛ ne prɛ kankan se a hyɛ ase afiri wo fikyire wamanya komu nipa mbɔ mɔde bedi Ghana nim ɛbɔ ɔman yika ɛbɔ ɔman Ghana dwirim no adenti ene wantumi anyira mo paati antwe wonom na wanyi sika mfiri wo nkyɛ nenne sa wabanya ba wa drop cases no asan hya sɛ hwe bi ni mo de a na de wi ye kyerɛ sɛ we de rich hunting enipakuo bi ene wadi wani besi wo ho betata wo ne mo nyɛ sɛ tentene na wo pani senti sa na mo tuo na Ghana mampani ene atani gya etu no ɛyade etietiam na pam nyame kese no emna atani gya no amikese Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama abɔ ne din no ɔbaaye no cases ahodo a o kyerɛ mu sɛ empa bientu onni asabana na so wonto aso bio no won mu din nie de edikan El Public versus Samuel Ofosu Ampofo enafi Anthony Kwaku Boahen asaba no Dominic ayini kyerɛ mu sɛ ɛyɛ ne tan kora watwam ompa bio The Public versus Stephen Opuni Ghana Cocoa Board yesi sika akwahye no to okrom ha enye sika akuma afi nso ɛyɛ Sedu Agongo Agricot Limited ye kyerɛ sika akwahye ombotom enye sika kuma okrom ha dom kuma ne kyerɛ mu sɛ nso so atani jana kyerɛ mu sɛ asɛm we no ompa bio watwam the tosom yensa the Republic versus Johnson eye pandit esiama and afin rubo makoma ko ni o maka ho sa case ni so watwam ompa biu enai atem say oman Ghana and afin so Collins Dauda enipa nan ene hardboard na dan no o mu kirem say sa sika hodo akwahye omoto nso attorney general kirem say sa sika no so ompa biu watwa case ni mo nya interested in the case the tosunum eye Republic versus Ernest Thompson enipa miensa ene so twemka bia watwam ensia the Republic versus Johnson eye pandit esiama enipa hodo omaka won so ompe ene the tosun so eye Castle atoba forsen sesi ay no ono na ye Ghana ye photo sam for days sika sema no omu kirem so ono so tansa wadi Ghana sika ekoto to ambulance that dabi bakroma Ghana hwiri sika yen kwaji sika no so a wone mu kirem say eni si aban ba mu kirem so mafa ne so manya oswafo nti omutumi hu nanim ase ene so wode matwam enti dem kuma ne kirem say de yakoso yi Ghana man penin John Dramani Mahama enti ensema wo kan say ubetu proyase na waboa na omanga na yatimi agi sika bo mpuntu akoso no enwa na motuoni ana sika
Kwadwo
ya o fa asefo no so akani o o fa asefo no so akasa
Kwadwo oman na nkasa no ya dwe ho a ye hu ne ekoso wo mu
sa
enti oman ga na ebekọ na nim dia na ye gina na
eza dia ye dia adwonko mo gina fa ko na mo sene ayi no mo pa masene mu amu hu no hwe sika ye ntwa ye homra wa ye mra na ko ye ba akase bonde ya ka echi na beti afro no dia sometifo
Makwantu ohun sam aye medadwen nanso me yensam tronenti menya adaje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonum nti ende metimi ba menya abrani adaje ekenkan ye investigations about womo ana me hu se wo apply for visa assistance a enfeli efri se wonum ewo track records madanse die nie ma me nintrel Sunday Sam's consult edi Britia webi ebeje wo visa amount se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, na fe krade, Serbia, any Greece nso abeka ho a work permit etechere. Ma menchire wo mo etire kwan. Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, our Ben Wise Park Hotel, ewo Asofan New Station hono a. Phone number 0244291546. Email address nso samuelowusu626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. Emanenye wadwendwen, frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse media.
Yabamo akwaba efya kenka Ghana fo adwenkyere na aba no ebi yeko Facebook no so na we free piaga no kire me say hypocrite eye kisi ajaben shame na esa banada na we ho no wantumi anya hwe ene aban foforo ba ya kisi ajaben obu adwuma pa o kire me say de wo yei enya atwem yate Delek ayete ene o kire me say good afternoon senior yenso yeje wo so pa Kofi Parliament no tell me say Ghana is the only country that gives God headache. O James Gasebo no o enjoy the live with the free agrabo beku ma champion ya da se paza won suguti e di free ho. Wo fa ke no tell me say o di free circle kwame Nkrumah circle e new press station honom no di free. E no tell me say NDC Metro Man Ghanaians want peace. Greetings to Charles Oten aka OT Assistant Secretary Greater Accra Regional Hufo and then Hajia Safia Mohammed MPP National Women's Organizer Hufo Yadase Hansin Dono James good afternoon Sammy B and Adwoa Agyei Sikapa. Thank you for your good work watching you live inside Atomic Hotel Dansoman Diodu or James greetings go out to Mr. Charles Mante all the way US Mountain so or James Wachao ye pa senior Yansu Yacha papa Richard Ahono James or live with free ye gbete station na kasebo ni mo da ye pa ni senti DLFM next kasebo ni demba ko pasinia ya chayanso ya dase action boy etia no chem say kanofoliata udwane akọ in fact kasebo ni mo da pasa no manam sina yaso ya dase Abbas Austin or say hello guys 49 na o chem say we live no tie yam pa na kasebo no kan ho efre ya tema west kanewu community 23 sina yaso ya dase pa sikapa kasebo de ebudu kom say pon Intima for birthday no kwe na yenso so.
Happy birthday Kasiapa Enkoma Lydia Agyei o wosetre kumewu na we free ya Sammy Adwoa no ye adwuma we ye wuntumi TV osanso ye reporter ana o kire say happy birthday Kasiapa Enkoma Lydia Agyei osi odo ye pa nyame edi mfie ba kwa ka wo mfie hu de na de osra ne se nkwatenten eya ahoden ni sika ni na Nyankopon FM ma oma wakoma so ade ni na embrem oba so no eya Sammy Adwoa se odo ye papa inti happy birthday kese enkoma Lydia Agyei
we so free eye apakan GH sports guy or no obo adwuma pa with DLFM 106.0 chirem se enne special birthday enko enfama on eye Georgina Mawili we ye ochirechire ni a teacher ewo Kofodua Eastern Region tiene ose Nyankopon enhira o ma ni nhira no embuso na da wodo wo no adwonko esna no manam ni senti enne eye wo eye Georgina Mawili eye wawudai a wo yo chechire ni Kofodua ni Nyankopon ompeja oni din no ema wo so emfirifiri asase we su nko sorosoro saa enkopem mra wankasa ubeye yia no wakasa fidi abapakan ma ye yabru so nti Nyankopon medase no ya me nko so enhyira de panyina ebi emra wo nsira bam to we happy birthday enko enfama on Georgina Mawili we teacher ewo Kofodua efri eye ye ne yankasa DLFM adwuma ye ni apakan die tintan na o se yemfama awie na Ghana ne ye gina we so na ka sebo ne ye de si kasebom semufo ya maze mebe entwene se mu edema yen kofite de ekopie mu Facebook no se ne me na be so ma wie nso di amaje so eye takwade Kwadwo krom twabe wodi se konkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
yes Osman na Adwoa Sikapa na so ne mpamfo na diala wadwumadie atoa so upness eye Ghana nyina radio mu ya santo mu nyina mu enitia adehye
midimafo